How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. First of all, in order to recover those end-to-end encrypted chats, open Messenger app and make sure to log in on your Messenger application's account. Once done, you can easily open and locate any end-to-end encrypted chats, or if you don't have that and if you want to recover those chats, then simply tap on three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. On this panel, select gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you have to select privacy and safety, which is under preferences, and under security select end-to-end encrypted chats. Now select message storage and make sure your message storage save key in Google Drive button is on. If it is not, you can toggle on the button, and once done you can set up a way to access your chat history. Here you can continue with Google and easily set up a way to access your chat history. So once you have done that, you will be able to recover all your end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.